Precision is not a promise. It is engineered. SINNHONG is an engineering-driven manufacturer, specializing in cable assemblies and wire harness solutions for industrial applications worldwide. We combine expertise with practical engineering understanding to deliver consistent and reliable results.
At SINNHONG, we don't just manufacture cable assemblies and wiring harnesses. We deliver engineered interconnect solutions that integrate connectivity and manufacturing
and ensure long-term performance in real applications. Consistency, precision, and attention to detail define how we work every day. From wire preparation to terminal crimping and final assembly, every step is controlled, tested, and verified. Our processes are designed to meet industrial standards. Beyond cable assemblies and wire harness manufacturing, SINNHONG provides access to reliable connector sourcing. We support original components, ensuring compatibility, availability, and cost efficiency from connectors to complete assemblies, while deliver fully integrated interconnect solutions.
We don't sourcing capability for original connectors. We help our customers simplify procurement and reduce supply chain complexity.
With operations in both China and Vietnam, SINNHONG offers flexible manufacturing solutions. We help our customers reduce tariff impact, optimize cost structures, and maintain a stable global supply chain. Skilled teams, controlled processes, and efficient execution ensure every project is delivered with reliability. SINNHONG, engineered cable assembly and wire harness solutions. Integrated, reliable, delivered